Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some screen protectors we're going to take a look at. These are from SmartDevil. I've got one here for the Galaxy S25 Ultra and one here for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. These are super easy to install, so let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so we've got two screen protectors here. Once again, these are from SmartDevil. They sent me these to review. So we've got one for the S25 Ultra, which is this one here. And then we've also got one for a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I'm going to go ahead and do the S25 Ultra since I've got that here. So let's go ahead, open this up, see what we get inside, and see how we go to install it. So let me grab my unboxing knife here. We'll go ahead and just make a small incision down the side. And we'll just take off the outer piece there. Throw that off to the side. And we've got a little opening tab here. So there we go. All right, and so on the back here just goes over some of the details here. So dust-free fast installation, instant fingerprint unlock, ultra-thin glass for instant sensing, supports ultrasonic unlocking, high definition for high transparency and clear visuals, shatterproof and drop resistance. It is 9H hardness tempered glass, and strong anti-fingerprint electroplating anti-fingerprint for smooth touch sensitivity. All right, so let's see what we get in here. And it looks like we got all kinds of goodies in here. There's something else in there? Okay. All right, so that is it for that. So what do we have here? This looks like this is just an insert for the box. And so we've got the installation instructions. So that is the install instructions. Then we've got fingerprint recognition instruction card. So this is going to go over how to do the fingerprint after you install it. This is the installation kit. So this does come with, I believe, 2 or 3. So this does come with, I think, let's see, I see 2 here. I think there might be a third one in there. Let me just double check. Looks like there is 3, so we've got 3 install kits, so you are covered there in case you mess up or whatever. And let me go ahead and just put these other ones off to the side. So inside here, it looks like we have the tray. So here is the placement tray. So this is supposed to make it really easy to install, which is good to see. A lot of people have issues with putting on screen protectors. They're not sure if they want to do it. They won't want to mess it up. So this is pretty much supposed to be foolproof. So let's go ahead and take a look at the installation instructions here. And so step 1 is we're going to use the 1, 2, 3 wipes. So we've got the wipes, the sticker, and then we have the clean screen. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to wipe down the front. So let me go ahead and open up our little kit here. And you can see there's 1 is the cleaning wipe, 2 is the dry wipe, and 3 is the dust sticker. And so we've got our cleaning wipe. And there is our cleaning wipe. So let's just go ahead and open that up. Okay, so you just have your normal wet wipe that comes with most, if you've done a screen protector before, you should be familiar. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this little wipe and we're going to wipe down our screen. So let me go ahead and grab the phone here. And you can see there is a bit of some fingerprints and grime on there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to give it a good wipe down. So we're just going to use, make sure not to put your fingers on the screen when you're cleaning it. You know, just take your time. Make sure that you clean it real well. Want to make sure that we don't get any dust under there. Now I am doing this on the S25 Ultra. So if you do have an S25 Ultra, I think that this is going to cause an issue with the anti-reflective screen. So we'll check that out. I have been kind of apprehensive to put one on here because I really like that anti-reflective, but we'll go ahead and test it out so that everybody can take a look. All right, so we've gone ahead and wiped it down. So then our next step is we're going to go ahead and dry it. So let's go ahead and just grab our little microfiber cloth here, and we'll just do the same thing. As you can see, I'm just holding on to the edges there, so I'm not actually touching the screen. And let's just make sure that that's wiped down real nice. Okay. And then once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and we'll grab our sticker here. So this is the number 3 dust sticker. And we're just going to peel that off. And we're just going to go ahead and apply that to the screen. So we'll just go around here, just like so. Just make sure that we don't have any dust particles underneath there. And let me just see here. A little bit of dust there. So you just want to take your time, go around the edges, make sure that you don't have anything underneath there. Go on both sides. There we go. All right. So now we've got the screen. We have wiped it down with the wet wipe. We've dried it, and now we've done the dust sticker. So now we're going to place the dust-free box onto the phone screen. Top mark aligns with the top of the phone. So as you can see here, right here, so you can see where it says top. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to just pop this onto the top of the phone like so. So now we have that on there, it looks like. Step 3 is press the dust-free box and pull out the pull tab smoothly. So we want to make sure that we've got that on there. So we've placed the top part on there, and this says top. So it shows you here, place the screen on, cover the phone, and then we're going to pull the tab, and we're going to do that smoothly. So let's go ahead and do so. So we'll just go ahead and pull that out. All right. And so we've gone ahead and done that. And so then it says we're going to go ahead and step 4, we're going to press firmly on the dust-free box and wait 10 seconds for the screen protector to automatically adhere. So we're going to go ahead and press on the dust-free box. I'm just going to kind of go down the center here, use this as my line. Let that go ahead, do its thing. Let it give it about 10 seconds. And then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and remove the protective layer from the top and bottom position columns to remove the dust-free box.
A few moments later.
And I'm going to go ahead and pull that out. All right. And that looks pretty good. I don't see any bubbles. Not sure if you can see any bubbles under the screen. But I'm pretty impressed. That was very painless, but you can see that you lose that anti-reflective coating on the S25 Ultra. So if you're going to use one of these screen protectors, do keep that in mind. The last thing that we need to do here, so step 6, peel off the protective layer from the screen protector to finish the installation, which we just did. And then we're going to go ahead and follow the instructions here. So let's grab these instructions for the fingerprint. So the last thing here, it says we're going to clean the phone screen, apply the screen protector, and then we're going to register your fingerprint after applying the screen protector. This will ensure smooth unlocking. So right now, you can see if I press down on here, it's not recognizing my existing fingerprint. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to go ahead and I'm going to go in and I'm going to register my fingerprint. So if you haven't done this before, you just go into your settings. We're going to go to our security as soon as I find, there we go. And then we're going to go ahead and go to screen lock and biometrics. Let me go ahead and type in my password. Okay. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on fingerprints and I'm going to register a new fingerprint. And so let me just go ahead and do that real quick. All right, fingerprint's been added. So now let's go ahead and test it out. So I'm going to go ahead and press down, boom. Let's do that again, press down, boom. No issues there. So fingerprint sensor working great. That is about it. So let me know in the comments below if you're using a screen protector on your phone or if you like to go without the screen protectors. I always recommend throwing one on there, especially to keep that screen in pristine condition. If you want to pick one of these up, I'll go ahead and drop a link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell notification so you get updated when new videos get uploaded. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in that next video.